Hey team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to round 2, where we're going to be doing more math, a lot of math from all the different teacher certification exams. Use this stuff to make it a game, have fun, and learn a whole lot of math you're going to need to pass your tests. Let's take a look at our first set of problems. Let's have fun. Let's go. Hi math team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. We're going to look at a couple of key ideas involving geometry that are essential for these set of problems. Now they're all going to be involving angles. I want you to take note on each rule. The first one involves a straight line. And when we have a straight line and we created two angles, we'll call this angle A and angle B. What we have here is supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Well, they're two angles that form a straight line. And we can write this as A plus B are supplementary, or they add up to 180 degrees. I want you to remember this one. This is the first major one. When two angles form a straight line and they add up to 180 degrees. This is the supplementary angle rule. Now let's go to our next one. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Believe it or not, there's not a whole lot of teachers out there that are taking these exams. You're one of the few. So if you like it, you learned something, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Maybe check out a workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find those live workshops that we hold very helpful. So check it out. All right, team. This is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you in class. Take care, team. Bye-bye.